Children, now let us discuss about chemical properties of acids and bases. Okay, chemical properties of acids and bases. First reaction is reaction of acid with metals. Reaction of acids with metals. When acid is react with metals, what will happen, children? Salt and hydrogen gases are formed. Okay, what are the products we will get, children? Salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, what the reaction of acid with metals, children? When an acid is reacted with metal, salt and hydrogen gases are formed. Okay, children, you already learned this reaction, right? Yes. What's the reaction? Here, zinc granules are reacted with dilute sulfuric acid, children. Okay, zinc is reacted with dilute sulfuric acid. Zinc sulfate and hydrogen gases are formed. Okay, what are the products formed here? Zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Okay, this equation is very important, children. Practice this equation. Okay, practice this diagram also. These both are very important, children. Equation and diagram both are very important, children. Okay, when metal is reacted with acid, salt and hydrogen gases are formed. Okay, this is how do bases react with metals. How do bases react with metals? When bases react with metals to form salt and hydrogen gases. Okay, the case of sodium hydroxide, we know that sodium hydroxide is an example for base, right? Yes, when sodium hydroxide is reacted with zinc, what are the products formed? Sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. Okay, sodium zincate is a salt. Okay, salt and hydrogen gases are formed. Similarly, when sodium hydroxide react with aluminium, what are the products formed here? Sodium aluminate and hydrogen gases. Okay, sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas are formed. Now, zinc and aluminium are given in textbook, children. These are very important. These equations are very important. So you have to practice this equation. Okay, what are the things we learned? First is the reaction of acids with metals. What are the products formed here? When acids react with metal, salt and hydrogen gases are formed. Okay. When bases react with metal, salt and hydrogen gases are formed. Okay. All bases not react with metals, children. Only some bases are reactive with metals. Okay. Next is the reaction of metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates with acids. Okay. Here, when metal carbonates react with acids, salt, water and carbon dioxide are formed. Okay. Similarly, when metal bicarbonates also react with acid, what are the products formed here? Salt, water and carbon dioxide. Okay. When metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates react with acids, salt, water and carbon dioxide are formed. What are the products formed here, children? Salt, water and carbon dioxide. Children, when metal is reacted with acid, what are the products formed? Salt and hydrogen gas. Okay. When metal is reacted with base, what are the products formed? Salt and hydrogen gases. When metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates react with acids, what are the products formed, children? Salt, water and carbon dioxide. Okay. Salt, water and carbon dioxide. Bases not react with metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates, children. Bases not react with metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates. How acids and bases react with each other? How acids and bases react with each other? Children, when an acid and base is reacting, salt and water are produced. What are the products formed? Salt and water. Example, when sodium hydroxide is a base, right? Yes, when sodium hydroxide is reacted with hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride and water are formed. What are the products formed? Sodium chloride and water. This reaction is also known as neutralization reaction, children. When acid react with base, salt and water are formed. This reaction is also known as neutralization reaction. Next is the reaction of acids with metallic oxides. Okay, you all know that metallic oxides are basic in nature, right? Yes, when metallic oxides are reacted with acid, salt and water are produced. What are the products formed, children? Salt and water. When non-metallic oxides react with bases, what are the products formed, children? Non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Okay. When these non-metallic oxides react with bases, what are the products formed? Here salt and water are produced. Okay. When metallic oxides react with acid, salt and water are produced. When non-metallic oxides react with bases, salt and water are produced. Then let's revise it, children. When metal is reacted with acid, what are the products formed? Salt and hydrogen gas. Okay. Salt and hydrogen gas. When metal is reacted with acid, salt and hydrogen gas are formed. Metal is reacted with base, salt and hydrogen gases are formed. Okay. Salt and hydrogen gas are formed. Reaction is the reaction of metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates with acid. What are the products formed, children? Salt, water and carbon dioxide. Okay. When metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates react with acid, salt, water and carbon dioxides are formed. Okay. But in the case of base, there is no reaction. Okay. Base is not reacted with carbonates and bicarbonates. This neutralization reaction. When acids and bases are react with each other, what are the products formed? Salt and water. Okay, children. Acid react with metallic oxide. What are the products formed? Salt and water. When bases react with non-metallic oxide, salt and water are produced. These are the chemical reactions, children.